Assalamu alaikum, I'm Cordelia. So from today I restart my channel again and I changed up my channel name. Its name is Halal Muslim Japan. But I want to make a video, for example, like a halal food Japanese restaurant, or like where should we play to the God in Japan, Japanese culture and Japanese manner, like about how to eat or how to like a greeting with someone else. And another things is like Japanese languages and also Japanese traffic information or anything, Japanese recipe, Japanese cooking for halal food. So when you guys like travel to Japan, and I want to help you, so that's why I make this video and I change the name. So actually I feel so like excited to like restart this channel again. Now I think about like every Saturday I upload my channel, so you can check a lot of information about Japan. When you travel to Japan, you guys have a fun more than before, so please check it out. All right, subscribe my channel and please check the every information. All right, see you soon. Bye.